No, but Jesus, you know what you.
Hey, if your manager and your friend don't take a picture like this, tell them fuck off.
Angus, best manager in the world. Angus! Angus!
Alright people, so remember I do a video basically about Shenseea meeting in an accident, right? Alright, so watch a prayer. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend did dance. Walk on people to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you don't miss out. Watch on people before me jump into the full video. The person that is missing is a person father. As me said way like anybody else out there. So this man right here is the girl that he goes by the name of Bashi. You see me, so them a look for him and thing, you see me, differently. Alright, so Shenseea sets up Babs after meeting in an accident. You see, she sets up Babs and went to the sea, which you know people normally would have go river for say them a wash off the salt, this and them looking something there, you know them way there. So she went to the beach. You see me, apparently that are the opposite river settings, you see me, fresh salt, you see me. Well, in a sense, I have sweet, but in other sense, she said, yo, I went back to the sea to return the salt, you see me. LOL, yo, Shenseea. Well, that's her speech that she made, you see it in an Instagram post, you see me. And when I go tell no like guys, you see me, I'm glad for no say I never much of a big deal. You get me? Come and tell me one thing, cause I just saw me pray, you see me. I love my little fellow Jamaicans. No matter how it might look, I support every Jamaican, you see it. So seemingly we baby girl that do good right now. I'm glad to see that. You see me people, so right about now where I'm in a 2020 just yo unforgettable, is it? And you know what to since me I talk about unforgettable, you know what that brother ya Pablo done. Remember we did do a flag on him too. You see me, and talk about how him dead, where him dead and why him dead. All of them look something. You see me, so since me I go say that area unforgettable. Watch out, that person was a top man in a Jamaica, and since recently or lately, whatever you want to call it, be it top people or people in a spotlight, things are reach right now. You see me? So it's like the more you're out of sight, the better for that area. Straight out. COVID their road, crosses their road. You see me? But see a picture of the dog at funeral, because the reason why I'm vlog about him today, because today was him funeral. You see guys, and see a one preview there, I mean I'm casket, but differently still. I did wonder how him takes so long for bury, is it? But yeah, him finally bury, say you know the style. So film case it just kinda what happened, it just come and gone. And reason being it look like him would have pulled most of the strength in him family before him dead. You see me? Cause himself is a businessman and them look something there differently. Him girlfriend that a Michi Hottaz, how could I forget about all she? Cause she would depend like she the day in the whole where they call that right now. You see me, she that alright, so in the whole time that she would involve too. You see me, but in a sense where she did involve in like she get it too, you see me. So RIP to she too, you know the style guys. Yeah, so it seems as if she not bury as yet, because like two of them to me in a position where a bag of people know them, is it? Yeah man, so it would have depend on the internet, so I don't know if she bury as yet, but fair man Pablo done him may make sure, but you know say two them bury basically that kind of late. For a man will have money, so that's why I wonder if him would have pulled the money in my family, but that's not important still. You see me? So but just forward out for inform more so I know. You see me on the latest, so please do tune in, share to a friend or a family. And at the end this.